up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're in the car right now because it's super windy in the Midwest Colorado area. I don't know where you guys are from, but the temps are fine, but it's just really windy. So I didn't want to be outside, but the kids are in school and I figure I take the car out to fill it up with some gas and some E85 and kind of just go for the first test drive with the new valve cover. My friend that reached out to me, that recommended me the valve cover, he hit me up, shout out to you, Adam, and there was a little leak right where like that front tab where you like bolt in the engine cover. It's like a slight leak. Looks like the molding for the casting was a little off. Mine hasn't leaked, and I ran it I think like for an hour yesterday, so this test drive will kind of see what happens. Basically where I live. I live on like the outskirts of town, and all these fields, they just kick up all these tumbleweeds everywhere. Look at all these tumbleweeds. Jesus. I would absolutely hate it. That's their whole door. Oh my God. Could you imagine cleaning that? That's crazy. Yep, this is what you get when you live out here. It is so damn windy. I hope you guys can hear me okay. Look at all the tumbleweeds. Jesus. Quick little 10-minute drive. This is that part I was telling you where my buddy's was leaking. Right in here. Like that casting. But so far, so good. Alright, so we just filled up. Got a full tank of E, and we're just gonna go drive around. It's really windy. I just wanna get the car pretty hot and make sure that my valve cover isn't leaking in that same area. More than likely it's just like something with their casting or molding that I was saying earlier, and hopefully mine hasn't leaked yet. And if it were to leak, I think it would already happen, but it's a good excuse to go for a drive. I'm really looking forward to putting in the Chase Base Hydro. If you guys can see right here, yeah, I think you can see it, but basically the whole thing is going to shift forward into this little cubby, and then I can put my other center console in and my other trim and clean it up, and then make the interior just a little nicer. I need to fix that speaker too, because drifting with music is just awesome. What's up, guys? I just pulled up to my buddy's shop, the guys who wrapped the car, and one of the guys that work here, Kobe, has a R34, and he just handed me the keys. So this will be my first time driving an R34. Holy shit, this seat is tight. This is so like what's that word I'm looking for? Nostalgic.
Yeah.
Right.
I would like that.
So it's a GTT?
Yeah, GTT.
What is that?
Rear-wheel drive.
Rear-wheel drive, RB
25, okay. I think.
reverse. Yeah, this is cool. Kind of like that.
Yeah, it's kind of convenient.
For the drift car, yeah. Alright. Clutch feels good. How much did you buy this for?
I think 60.
No way.
Yeah.
Does it have a welded diff?
Mm-hmm. It was supposed to be a drift car.
Oh, that's the wrong gear. It's pretty smooth.
Yeah.
It's like I could daily this.
Mm-hmm.
This feels so weird being on the right side of the road
Yeah.
though. Driving an R34, huh? I just want to. Where should I go, right?
Yeah.
It's kind of hard to get in the second. Oh, that.
Yeah, he needs new bushings, and I told him that his trans bushings, and if you like give it a little gas, you can feel the whole trans moving. You need new bushings, and also just being weird trying to shift with your left hand.
Yeah. I've only driven right-hand drive like a couple times. So first is over there.
Yeah, first.
Just, I mean, it's the same as like.
Yeah, it's just kind of like with your other hand, so your muscle memory is like completely different.
It's pretty cool. Is it twin turbo? Single turbo?
Single turbo.
From factory? Or is it top mount?
No, it's not top mount, it's the bottom mount. But I think that may be the difference between the GTT and that.
Yeah. Alright. GTT R34. That's pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
What do you think it makes? Like 400?
Mm-hmm. That's what I think dyno that.
400 horsepower, yeah.
Yeah, that's what it feels like.
It's really like linear.
Uh-huh.
Well, guys, that was my experience driving an R34. It's pretty cool. I'll never buy one because I don't have that money. But
You have one, it's over there.
it's definitely a cool experience to drive. So thanks, Kobe, and we'll see you later. All right, back to the test drive, but I couldn't stop. I couldn't go on without showing you guys Patrick's Miata. He just put it together on the emits, all kitted up and everything. Looks sick. What do you guys think about the chrome tint? Kind of like that. Anyways, let's hop back in and hit the road. What's up, guys? I know the video was kind of all over the place, but we just made it back to the house. The garage is closed right now because the wind is ridiculous. Actually, I wanted to show you guys this real quick. I don't know if I can zoom in, but the neighbor's house has a whole pile of tumbleweeds. All that, and it's like all under my truck. But that sucks, because I literally just cleaned that up the other day, and it's a pain in the ass. But I know why you're here. I want to talk about the valve cover. So no leaks from that one spot that my buddy sent me. Not only was it him, but it was another person that said it had leaked in the same spot here and back there where the other bolt goes. But so far so good. I test drove it pretty good, pretty hard. I was doing a lot of pulls. It got pretty hot, so I think everything is good. We'll see after a couple drift events, and we'll go from there. But so far, happy with my purchase. The whole reason why I bought it was because my first one cracked anyways. But for $200, not bad. Yeah, so that'll close out today's video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.